Who here wants a magic trick? Now you know there's no such thing as magic, right? It's just an illusion. Who knows what this is? A Rubik's Cube. How annoying is a Rubik's Cube that is unsolved? I can't handle it. To me, tonight we're going to introduce the concept of sin to you. Sin is when, well, you'll find out, but it's when something isn't right. Something's wrong. And with a Rubik's Cube that's messed up, that's wrong. And it's like, I don't know you, but I can't solve the Rubik's Cube. Like, if I try, I make it worse. And that's sort of like the sin. It's like, we go, well, I know how to make this better. I'll just sort of do this, and like maybe I tell a lie, and then I tell another lie to try to make it better, but I end up making it worse. And then, well, maybe I'll want something that belongs to someone else, and then I'll covet it, and that's making it worse and worse and worse. And then maybe I'll hate somebody, and that's like murdering them. And oh man. And then they say, do you really hate me? And I go, no, I don't really hate you. And now I'm lying. I'm making it worse. And it's like no matter what I do, I can't make it better. It's like there's nothing I can do. It sounds like that. There's nothing we can do to make it better. What we need is God's solution. God can supernaturally do what we can't do. And when we give it to God, look at that. God can do what we can't do. He can make our sin problem go away. Do you want to know how you can get your sin problem go away? Keep paying attention, and we'll learn about it. All right. Hey everybody, this is Mark. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please click like and subscribe to the channel. Please visit our website, luke-15.org. We have tons of free resources. Everything's free to help you to become a better, more effective ambassador for Jesus Christ. There's also information at luke-15.org about what my family and I do as missionaries here in New England and really everywhere through the internet. Please share these resources with other people you know through social media, and may God bless you as you take the gospel of Jesus Christ to the lost. We love Jesus. How can we not share him with others? Have a great day.